Okay.
Kia ora, whānau.
Right. Read me aloud.
Kia ora. Today we are celebrating
Our wonderful social workers.
Your mission, which you've already
Chosen to accept.
Out loud.
Oh, okay.
is to swing a poi in support of social workers.
Big shout out to all social workers, but particularly youth justice social workers.
to do this, you're going to need a poi.
Now here's the fun part. Who would have thought?
In front of you, have everything you need to make a beautiful boy.
You have 1 minute to make one and
Swing it in support of our social workers.
Your time starts.
Now,
I didn't know I was doing a boy.
Done this before.
here's a prize for this. All in the 1 minute. And sing.
My music, please.
Okay.
Job done. Happy Social Workers Day.